everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zana Kulkarni. So today in this video I'm going to show you the step by step the makeup look, and this makeup look I've created. This is the glam look, and this all have the brown tones and little bit of the shimmery shade you can just see. And I have just used this smudging kajal. So I have created this makeup look by using only four products for the eye. That is the the contour palette, which is by Sugar. I've used these three shades to create this look, and even I have took a dark brown shade from a palette which is called Swiss Beauty. This is so limited, and you can use the for the base you can use the whatever I've used it. And I'm gonna show the skin prep before the makeup and the makeup, and let's get started with that. Firstly, I'm gonna starting with my skin prepping, which is the toner. After cleansing, I'm gonna use a toner. Then later I'm gonna use a moisturizer, a good moisturizer. If you're a dry skin person, you can use this, or a normal skin also you can use this. But oily skin, you have to look to the ingredient which has hyaluronic acid, and yeah, which hydrates you and prevent less sweat and less greasy. So next, let's get into next step, which is lip balm. I'm using the lip balm. Any lip balm you can use it. You can use by Laneige, or if your skin is so I mean, if your lips are so chapped, I'm using Laneige one here. Next step is the primer. I'm using the primer here. You can use any primer. If you're a combination skin, you can use the other primer, and if you're a dry skin, you can use the the hydrating one. I'm using this Nykaa one. You can use anything. The Smashbox is also really good, and the Sugar also really good. You can go with it, and yeah, next the color bar is also good. Next I'm gonna apply do the color corrector under my eyes. I feel so dark, the dark, and I don't really like it, so I'm gonna like cover them using the red lipstick. You can use the orange corrector also, but I'm using this red lipstick. This is the good hack for you. And later on, next I'm gonna take a foundation brush. You can use a beauty blender also, but I'm for the full coverage I'm using the for the matte finish, and should cover every marks on my face, so I'm using the brush. It goes really good because but beauty blender the soaks all the moisture in your face, so I'm using that. So you can use, and you can build up to full coverage. I'm using this Benefit one to apply it, and it gives a medium coverage. You can go with the full coverage foundation also. Next, I'm using the the setting powder under your eyes, and again I'm gonna apply the before setting powder. I'm gonna use a concealer, this is by Wet n Wild. You can use any concealer of your shade, of your skin tone. Then I'm gonna set by a Sugar translucent powder. You can use banana powder also, but I had that, I'm using that. Then use the setting powder all over your face. Then next we'll begin with the eye makeup. First I'm gonna take a contour shade, which is in there's three palette. You can use the first one, and I'm using it for my crease. Then you can go on with the blush one, and next lastly I'm gonna use the highlighter one for my lid. Then next I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush, a fluffy brush. Next you can go on with the palette I'm gonna use, that is a dark brown shade for the giving a little bit of wing. And lastly I'm gonna like blend it out, right? And for the under eye, under your like lower lashes also, lower the crease, you can go with that all the same color. Next I'm gonna use the smudgeable kajal. Don't take a non-smudgeable kajal, it doesn't blend it out. So I'm gonna apply or my on my lid. Next I'm gonna blend it out with a pencil brush. So next I'm gonna apply the same kajal, the other one kajal by L18. It doesn't smudge it out and it's really good. So and it stays long lasting, so I'm gonna applying that. Then for my lashes, I'm not gonna do any fake lashes. I'm gonna take the the mascara, and you can take any mascara. I'm taking this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna all set it out. Next I'm gonna do a contouring, the powder contouring and the blush and the highlighter. And later on you can apply the lipstick of your favorite shade. For this makeup it goes really like a darker one, so I'm gonna apply this, and that's it. And set your face, and a little bit of you can just highlight your the features, and voila, you're done. Next, I'm gonna tell you, once you prepped your skin, the skincare is done. You can apply the BB cream or CC cream, because some people doesn't like that. Or you can do, you can apply the concealer one for using lesser products. Some people doesn't have and some people doesn't afford. And even I started like that. I can afford. I was saving money for my the foundation. I'm just saving this money also for my the foundation I've used, that is by drugstore. I have used Maybelline also, and I have saved money and purchased the Maybelline one. You can also purchase the more high-end foundations, high-end foundations, like MAC, or any like high-end products like LA Girl, LA Pro Girl. You can use that one also, it goes really good. That is a high-end one. The drugstore one, it is LA Pro Girls. And MAC, other companies also have which is a high-end foundations. You can afford that by saving penny. I've saved money for that. I'm just saving it for that, to purchase a good high-end foundation. You can do bridal makeup or your full coverage makeup, or you can build up the same foundation by drugstore. Also you can afford, you can buy the color bar one. I really love color bar. I've tried it, but it got over, so I came back to Maybelline. And I mean, my friend gifted a Benefit one that is also really costly. I mean, I don't know this is a drugstore or high end, but it is really good. It has SPF 15 to sunscreen, like it acts like a sunscreen also. So that's it for today's video. So if you like this, and if you found this video helpful, please do like it and share and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification to get notified. And I'm gonna go. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep your skin healthy, hydrated. I'm gonna I had a water in between shooting this. It goes 1.5 hours. I'm just blabbering like this. So I'm gonna go. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Like it, and don't forget to share this video. And hope this video is helpful. If you want this kind of a video again, please do comment down below, and like it, share, subscribe. Bye, take care.